The two best ODI teams played out an absolute nail-biting game in the third and deciding match of the series, but it was Team India who managed to hold its nerve and saved themselves from a major embarrassment on Sunday. India defeated England by 7 runs to clinch the 3-match ODI series 2-1. Hello and welcome, you're watching TV9 News with me, Atishay. A game which at one point looked dead and buried was brought to life by a 22-year-old Sam Curran who almost pulled off a heist at the MCA Stadium on Sunday. India at one stage looked on course to win the match comprehensively. The Indian bowlers dismissed Jason Roy, Jonny Bairstow and even Ben Stokes cheaply, but a 22-year-old Sam Curran gave a huge scare to the men in blue. An 83-ball 95 runs from the English all-rounder almost took his side to victory, but a superb final over from T. Natarajan ensured India's victory. After England skipper Jos Buttler asked India to bat first, Indian openers gave the team a fiery start. Shikhar Dhawan took the initiative in the power play and utilized the field restrictions to score runs in double quick time. Rohit Sharma on the other end played second fiddle to Dhawan, who got off to a dazzling start. England quick bowlers looked clueless as the Indian opening duo were scoring runs with ease. Dhawan went on to notch yet another half-century and registered a 103-run partnership with the hitman. The first 100 runs just came in 14 overs for the men in blue. But once Jos Buttler turned to his spinners, the momentum shifted. Adil Rashid outfoxed Rohit Sharma with a brilliant googly and India suffered its first casualty. In his next over, Adil Rashid dismissed Dhawan for 67 runs and an over later, Moeen Ali dislodged the stumps to send Virat Kohli back in the hut. From 103 for 0 to 121 for 3, the spin duo of Rashid and Moeen brought the visitors back into the game. Last game, Centurion KL Rahul could only manage 7 runs in this game, and after his departure, India was in a spot of bother with 157 runs on the board at the expense of 4 wickets. Rishabh Pant and Hardik Pandya took the counter-attacking approach to register a 99-run stand for the 5th wicket. Pant once again was in sizzling touch as he smashed 4 sixes and 5 boundaries in his innings of 78 runs. Pant and Pandya were at their explosive best. When the duo was going strong, 380 runs was on the cards for the men in blue, but losing wickets at the wrong time hampered the side from reaching that score. Just when it looked like Pant was on track to score his maiden ODI 100, Sam Curran sent the southpaw back into the pavilion. Hardik Pandya too smashed 4 maximums and 5 fours in his blazing innings of 64 runs, but after Stokes removed the right-hander, Indian innings kind of fell apart. Shardul Thakur played a nice cameo of 30 runs, but Krunal Pandya struggled for timing and that late flourish which India would have hoped for never came. England bowlers did extremely well to restrict India to 329 as Mark Wood bagged 3 wickets and Adil Rashid picking 2. India was probably 40 to 50 runs short and they needed early wickets in order to give themselves a chance to win the game. And Bhuvneshwar Kumar came to the team's rescue. Bhuvi removed Jason Roy and Jonny Bairstow inside the first 3 overs. Stokes looked good in his innings of 35 runs, but after his dismissal, India kept chipping away at the wickets column. Thakur dismissed Buttler for 15 runs and India was right on top. Liam Livingstone and David Malan stitched a 50-run stand for the 5th wicket to keep their side in the hunt. But once again, it was Thakur who provided India the much-needed breakthrough. He first dismissed Livingstone and then in his very next over, he sent Malan back into the hut just after the left-hander had scored his maiden ODI 50. At that point of time, India was well ahead in the game. The partnership of 57 runs between Sam Curran and Adil Rashid for the 8th wicket kept the visitors in the game. Sam Curran played an absolute jaw-dropping innings of 95 runs and almost pulled off a heist against India. Right throughout the series, Shardul Thakur provided India with crucial wickets in the middle overs, and even in this game, his spell was instrumental behind India's win. Team India is now the worthy winners of the 3-match ODI series, and the victory feels even more sweeter as it has come against the world champions. So how did you like India's performance in the 3rd ODI against England? Do let us know in the comment section given below, and if you like this video, do subscribe to TV9 News across all social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching.